Excellence. Excellence begins with students. Excellence begins with community. It begins with parents. It begins with employees. At Tempe Elementary Schools, excellence begins with me.
Our mission in facilities management is really quite simple. It's to enhance the educational environment in every school, in every building, every day for our students, staff, and community. We work very hard at helping our people understand what really is important in the classroom and what their role is in contributing to the success of that classroom.
They really truly are a service. They are service to students and they are service to teachers. They have put the top priority of educating students as the priority and not always the convenience of the adults, but what's best for kids as we go forward.
I don't think the taxpayers or even the staff probably have a good feeling or a good appreciation for what this department does for the district. It's so much beyond just managing the bond program and the tax dollars. It's managing all the facilities and the maintenance. But what really separates them to me is that desire to go above and beyond their job. Everybody has a job description, everybody has a 9-to-5 role to do, but every person we talk to in FMFL has other things that they're concerned about. How else can we help the kids of this district, the kids of this community, the parents of the community, and the staffs of the buildings that we have? And that is very unique.
The most important thing to us is the kids' education. The teachers, they need to have the kids' full attention. And so we do whatever we can to stay out of the classrooms during the teaching hours so that they can focus on what they need to do. They need to learn, the teachers need to teach. But we're behind the scenes working and getting things done, building things, so that when they're not there, we come back, we install what we've done, or we bring in what we've built and see the smiles on their face and the thanks that they give us for doing what we do for them, and that's the whole reward for all of us. That's why I like doing what I do.
Some of the things that I'm really proud of here at Tempe Elementary School District is the way that we've changed over the last 15 years. The way we design buildings, the way we maintain them, the way we service them, the way we're part of the education. It wasn't like that always. Nowadays, our managers, they rearrange their schedules. They work late nights. They work early mornings to accommodate the learning environment. That always didn't happen.
I think what I'm most proud of is when we went through our redesign in 2004 as a department, we used to refer to it as the district. Now we no longer refer to it as the district. It has become our district. We serve our students and we serve our teachers, our schools, and we take care of the equipment as if it's our own, and we want to make sure that we do the best possible job we can.
I have two kids that go to the schools here. One goes first grade at Broadmoor. The other one goes to kindergarten. And I enjoy the fact that I have two children that go to these schools, and I look at every child that goes to these schools as one of my own children.
When I come to work, I know that the grounds are going to be well kept. I know that the school will be safe and maintained, and it happens magically. It happens when we're not here because these men and women work tirelessly hours, long hours before school starts to make sure that everything is absolutely perfect for kids, the learners.
What makes FMFL excellent is the camaraderie we have, the teamwork we have, the ability to work together and create things that we need to take care of for the school, from grounds to building furniture to electrical problems, everything. We just kind of all work together to get the job done.
When I think of FMFL workers, I think of outside of the box thinkers. People with a can-do attitude that will face any situation in a positive light. They're willing to build things to make activities accessible for kids. I can't imagine life in TV3 without all the men and women of our Facilities Management for Learners department. They simply make our life easier.
We have the very, very best facilities management staff of anyone in the state. They are unmatched by anyone I know. Every member of our facilities management department, they put their heart and soul into their work every single day, making the environment stronger for children, and the very best place for children to learn is at the core of their belief in the work that they do. Our FMFL men and women work tirelessly to make sure that our kids have every opportunity possible to learn in an environment filled with joy and love and innovation.